Hey, here's how to add Spotify music to your Instagram story. So first, from your Instagram, whenever you try to create a new story and select the photo where you just want to add the Spotify song, so tap on the music sticker and you may notice that your Spotify songs don't appear here. But don't worry, just go back, now open the Spotify app and choose the song you just want to add to your story and play the song correctly from here. Then tap the share button, and now from here you can choose the background color or theme, and when you are happy with it, tap Instagram stories again. And you will see the Spotify song added to your story. Adjust its position by dragging it anywhere you like. Now tap the sticker icon, go to your photo and choose the photo you just want to add. Resize and position it properly. If needed, tap and hold the photo to move it around. And once everything looks good here, just tap share and your story will be posted perfectly. Now once you have added your story perfectly, if you don't want the music to keep playing, just open Spotify and pause the song from here. And that's how easy it is to add Spotify music to your Instagram story. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.